Come ride the alphabet train with me. Choo-choo! Let's go learn our ABCs. A is for apple. Crunch, crunch. B is for ball. Boing, boing. A, B. Apple and ball.
C is for cat.
Meow, meow. Soft and cuddly cat.
D is for dog.
C is for cat. D is for dog.
E is for elephant. Toot, toot, big elephant trunk. F is for fish. E is for elephant. F is for fish.
G is for grapes. Yummy grapes. H is for hat. G is for grapes. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. Yum, yum, chili and sweet. J is for jelly. K is for kangaroo.
Boing, boing, hop, little kangaroo.
L is for lion.
K is for kangaroo. M is for monkey. Cheeky monkey swings around. N is for nest.
Oh,
Wiggle, wiggle, silly octopus.
P is for popcorn.
O is for octopus. P is for popcorn.
Q is for queen.
Look at my shiny crown.
R is for rabbit.
Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for slide. Whee!
Sliding is fun.
T is for train. S is for slide. T is for train. U is for umbrella. Raindrops go drip drop. V is for violin.
W is for whale.
Splash, splash, happy whale.
X is for xylophone.
W is for whale.
Y is for yellow. Up, up, the yellow kite goes. Z is for zebra. Hooray, friends! We made it all the way to the end. Look, all the letters from A to Z. You learned every single